Now in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to insert picture to a shape. Now let's click on our shape. Let's use a rectangle. Now click and drag. Now the second thing we are going to do is choosing a picture. We will go to our file manager, then click a picture, then drag it down to Photoshop, then you release. Then you can now adjust the picture size. We are going to put it around the object, the size of the object that you want it to be. Then you click on your select tools and press play and click on place. Then afterwards, you go to our layer. This is our layer. On the screenshot, on the picture, we are going to right click and we'll go to create clipping marks. You can see it actually fits into our object. Now let's use a second object, something like circle that is noticeable. Then the same method, we'll go to our file manager, then drag the picture, leave, then we'll actually resize it around the circle. So go to our select tools, our move tools rather, then enter place. Then right click and go to create clip marks. As you can see, it fits in the object. In our next tutorial, I'm going to actually show you how to combine two shapes together and insert an object in more than 2 or more shapes. Thank you for watching this video.